नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका ITV न्यूज पर। BGMTUC का 19वां आम सम्मेलन आयोजित किया गया। कार्यकर्ताओं के हित में इस संगठनात्मक चर्चा का मुख्य बिंदु प्रदेश के हर जिले में इस संगठन का हाथ मजबूत करना था। परिचर्चा में संगठन के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर मनमथ नाथ विश्वास उपस्थित थे। इस चर्चा बैठक के कुछ अंश देख लीजिए ITV न्यूज पर।
Compulsory registrations of trade unions within the period of 45 days from the date of submitting of the application and immediate rectification of IOL conventions under section C87 and C98. Stoppage of pro-employer labor law amendments. Stoppage of FDI in railways, insurance and defence. In addition to these, central trade unions are also demanding the withdrawal of land acquisition amendment bill or ordinance. Inhuman treatment for the street hawkers and eviction without rehabilitations must be stopped. All unorganized sector workers should be given medical facilities at ESI hospitals.
हर कोई नहीं कर सकता, बातें बनाना दुनिया जानती है, लेकिन धरातल पर कार्य करना कोई नहीं जानता। तो मैं सबसे बड़ी बात है, हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ अपने अध्यक्ष जी का। जिस प्रकार से वो दिन रात सेवा कर रहे हैं, हमें कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर उनके साथ कार्य करना चाहिए। अब मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देना चाहूंगा और शादीगर है, समय की गणना है, तो अब मैं
announcing a big notice to all Dharmapuri, where we opened that bus conductor association. They have 1 lakh members. They have joined with BGMTUC with us. Okay. So, more opening functions, Salem, Vellore, Chennai, and some other district and all. When we are opening that time and all, the BJP members keep on troubling that PMS also. So, the persons or people who are joined in BJMTUC, they are fed up now. You have to do some solution for that. Nearly that program will cover nearly 250 BJMTUC members, that they are executive members. We called on everyone that all the program was cancelled. So if we want to move on, you have to please do something. Okay, we can develop more and more in Tamil Nadu. So the only problem, no other parties are in our things alone. Only BJP and BMS. They both are in trouble. Please suggest and please help me. Vanakkam. This my program state executive meeting 25th of this month was cancelled by BJP members and BMS members. They have threatened, and one more state organizing general secretary, Mr. Keshav Vinayakam, personally called me through WhatsApp call. What is this BJMTUC? Are you running any business or like that? No, this is the National Central Trade Union Workers Union. I told them, no, you are fooling me. Then he asked me, why you are using Prime Minister photo to your union? Then why you are using your lotus symbol? Like that he asked me. You can't say that Prime Minister is our Prime Minister, he is the Indian Prime Minister, that you should not, you have no rights to say, he said. Then he said, no, if you keep on going like this, I will dismiss you from BJP members. Okay. I asked him to send me the letter. What all you are telling me?